Hello students, today we are solving a question from vertical circular motion. This is from work per energy chapter. The question is from 23rd January shift 1 of JEE Mains 2026. It says a small bob of mass m is attached to a massless rigid rod of length 1 meter, pivoted at point P and kept at an angle 60 degree with the vertical as shown in the figure at a distance 1 meter below point P. An identical bob B is kept at rest on the smooth horizontal surface that extends to a circular track of radius r as shown in the figure. If the bob just manages to complete the circular path of radius r up to point Q after being hit elastically by the bob A, then the radius r in meter is. So you have a bob A which is lifted up and released. This is going to hit bob B elastically and transfer its entire energy to bob B, and the bob B will move in a circular path and complete the vertical circular motion. That's going to happen. So what I will do is I'll use two important ideas. First idea is, since the balls are identical, the elastic collision will lead to simply exchange of velocities. Means with whatever velocity A will hit B, it will transfer that entire velocity to ball B. This is the fact I'm going to use. Of course, the proof for this you guys must have seen in your regular courses. So if A is coming with speed V before collision and B is at rest, after collision what will happen? A will come to rest and B will move with the same speed V. Second fact I'm going to use is that since B completes the vertical circle, V must be equal to root 5 GR. Right? Root 5 GR is the minimum speed required for a bob to complete vertical circle. Right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use conservation of mechanical energy to find the value of V. We can use conservation of mechanical energy on A because the same speed V is transferred to the ball B. So what I'll do is decrease in potential energy of A is equal to increase in kinetic energy of A. So if you look, the height that A descended is L minus L cos 60, which is L by 2. So I'm going to use mgl into 1 minus cos 60 in the loss in potential energy. Half mv square is the gain in kinetic energy. M and M gets cancelled on both sides. G into 1 meter into 1 minus cos 60 is half is equal to half into V square is nothing but 5 GR. From here R comes out to be 1 by 5 meter or 0.2 meter. This corresponds to option 4.